Guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in Clinton, New Jersey, and we have just completed this beautiful display room shower enclosure for Gomez, the Gomez group in Clinton, New Jersey. And for this one, we opted to go with the French doors to put different colors side by side, which is a benefit for some people, for most people, because they don't actually see. I could bring little samples, and those little samples don't really do it justice. So these large panels and glass give that a more realistic look. Anyway, let's hold off on this one for a sec. Over here we have acid washed in 1/2-inch tempered glass. This is great for privacy. It's great for, you know, if your kids barge into their bathroom while you're showering all the time, you may want to consider some privacy glass there. Right next to that, we have 1/2-inch low iron tempered glass. This had to be 1/2-inch to hold, because of this configuration, this little corner, we needed 1/2-inch there. So we opted for 1/2-inch low iron and a 3/8 thick door, okay? And each door is approximately 28 inches. And now we're gonna come back to this point. So here on the left, this left-hand door is low iron, while this one is regular clear tempered glass. So there's nothing wrong with regular clear tempered glass. It's used 8 out of 10 times for shower enclosures. The low iron is usually for very light background tiles or very, very bright bathrooms. If you don't want to see that greenish tint, this is what I'm talking about. See, on the right, regular, on the left, low iron. And then here we have a 1/2-inch, also regular clear tempered glass. So the camera may not be doing this justice, but I definitely, in real life, see a color differential. And again, there's nothing wrong with regular glass. This is used most of the time. But if you want something clearer, there's the low iron option for you, okay? All the hardware shown here, because everything is all modern, you know, the gold and the blacks in the world today. So we used matte black clamps to show off this beautiful enclosure. We have the Beveled series clamps here to show that. And we have square to show those as well. Beveled, and over there is square. So all of this hardware is available in multiple colors. There's a color chip sample right there. Tons of golds. You guys and your golds, like, it's getting kind of crazy with all these different hues of gold. So, and that's about it. All right. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give me a call or visit my website, njglassdoors.com.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs